How to turn on pages you follow notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on pages you follow notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here just go down. Here you will find pages you follow. Click on it and then just click here, this one, turn everything on and go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.